you again, Ava. How are you today? How are you today, Ava? I'm fine. I'm fine. That's good. Ava, did you go to school?
Good.
Did you go to school today?
Good.
Did you go to school? Yes or no?
No.
No, you don't go to school? Okay, I see. Okay, that's great.
One.
Eva, are you ready for our class?
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Eva, Eva, are you ready?
บอกคุณครูถามนี่
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, I'm ready. Can you say? Yes, I'm ready.
น้องต้องปรุงด้วยอ่ะ
บอกครู Yes, I'm
Okay,
ready.
yes, I'm ready. Yes, very good. Yes, I'm ready. Okay, so Eva, today we are going to have our lesson 10. Lesson 10.
Lesson 10.
We are going to have our lesson 10 and we are going to review all the lessons that we learned from Unit 4. It's all about my toys. Okay, so Eva, are you ready? Let's go.
บอกครูก่อน Yes, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready. Okay, very nice.
Hello song.
Hello, teacher. Hello, friends. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, teacher. Hello, friends. Hello, hello, hello.
Okay, so that is our hello song. Okay, so Eva, today you are going to choose. We are going to color. We are going to read, talk, drag, circle, and you are going to sing. Okay, are you ready?
No,
You're not ready? Are you ready, Eva?
Yes ตอบเลยตอบก่อน
Okay. Yes, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Okay, here, look at the picture. We have two kids and they are playing in the classroom. Okay, here, which picture shows a doll? Okay, can you drag the check mark to the doll? Okay, very good. That's great. Okay, let's go. Okay, can you say it's a doll?
พูดตามครู
I want a dog.
I want a doll. Okay, I want a doll. Very nice. Okay, Eva, can you circle which one is the doll? Can you circle the doll? Okay, wonderful. Okay, Eva, how about this one? Can you tell me what is this?
It's a bear.
Ah, bear. Very good. That's good. Good job. Eva, can you circle who has a bear? Okay, very good. That's a bear. Very nice. Okay, wonderful, Eva. Let's have more on to the next lesson.
โอเคฟังก่อนนะฟังก่อน
Okay, now look again at the picture. Paul and his friend are playing outside. Okay, now can you put the check mark onto the car? Which one is the car? Let's drag. Okay, very good. That's great. Wow.
โอเคจ้ะ
Very good, Eva. Okay, Eva, let's say it is a car.
It is a car.
Wow, very good. That's great. Let's circle the car. Who is playing the car? Let's circle the car. Okay, very good. How about this one? What is this?
What is this? Nè,
I want a
it means mẹ.
You want a ball? Okay, can you say it is a ball?
apple.
Okay, very good. Okay, look at the picture. Who is playing the ball? Can you circle? Who is playing the ball? Let's circle the ball, Ava. Let's circle the ball. Yay, good job. Very good, Ava. Okay, let's have the next one. Okay, the boy is playing in his room.
Anh ấy phân nghĩa là phân nghĩa.
Now let's use the check mark. Which one is a truck? Which one is a truck?
Wow.
Wow, that's great. Very good. What is this, Ava?
Ít
What is this?
Dog.
Again?
ít lắm nữa.
Truck.
A dog.
Okay, it's a truck. Good job. Okay, can you circle the truck? Can you circle the other truck in the picture? Okay, very good. That's great. Okay, good job, Ava. Let's have the next one. Okay, here we have a house. Look, it's a house. Okay, now, Ava, can you put the check mark onto the shape rectangle?
Rectangle.
Go. I need
Okay, which one is the rectangle, Ava? Rectangle.
Wow.
Wow, it's a rectangle. Which shape is it, Ava? What shape is this?
meow meow.
Đằng khu
What
I
shape is this?
kiểu.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good job. It's a rectangle. How about this one? What shape is this?
It is rồi là
What shape is this?
bỏ cô còn triangle.
Triangle. Triangle.
Circle. It's not a circle. Good try. What shape is this?
Circle. Là cô đợi.
Okay, that's a
Cô đây sát cô đây.
can you see?
Cô đây
Triangle.
cô sát.
Triangle.
Okay, triangle. Very good. It's a triangle. Can you say? It's a triangle.
Tập mơ thẳng
Triangle.
Eva, let's say it's a triangle.
Triangle.
Okay, very good. It's a triangle. Very nice. That's a great job. It's a triangle. Okay, let's have more on to the next one. Okay, here, let's put the check mark on the color green. Which one is color green?
Đi xuống mình.
Okay, very good. That's color green. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's say it is green.
It's a green.
Okay, very good. It is green. How about this one? What color is this?
Young.
Pasangkit.
I want a yellow.
Yellow. Very good. That's great. That's yellow. Okay, look at your clothes. There is color yellow. Color yellow at your clothes.
Con cô xìa này.
Where is color yellow? Look at your clothes.
Xìa này.
Where is yellow?
Con cô xìa cô xìa này.
Where is color yellow?
Cô cho sát.
Cái bông nó lại
Where is color yellow?
Con cô xìa này.
chị ba.
Okay, here, teacher here has color yellow.
Còn nó
Okay,
thì trong bông.
yellow. Okay, yellow, yellow here. What color is this?
Con cô.
It is a yellow.
Yellow. Very good. It is yellow. Good job, Eva. Okay, it is color yellow. Okay, look at this one. What color is this?
Yellow.
What's color?
What color is this?
I want a green.
Green. Very good. It's color green. Good job. Okay, you got your green. Great star. Okay, it's color green and color yellow. Okay, very good, Eva. Wonderful. Okay, now here we have two pictures. Which picture shows that we share?
Tree.
Okay, which one is the picture that shows we share our toys?
We share.
Can you circle? Okay, very good. That's great. Okay, can you say we share?
Okay.
Okay, very good. How about you, Ava? Do you share your toys? Yes or no? Do you share your toys?
Tampo.
Good.
Yes, very good. That's great. Okay, you should share your toys. Okay, don't do this one, okay? It's bad. Okay, don't do this one. Bad. Okay, it's bad. No, no, no.
No.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's have the next one. Here, which one shows that we share our toys? Can you circle which one? Okay, very good. That's great. Okay, now they are sharing their doll and they are sharing their teddy bear. Okay, this one. This one. No, no, no. Okay, no, no, no.
No.
Okay, Eva, very good. That's good. Okay, Eva, let's have more. On to the next one.
เคยวันนี้
Okay, here. Look, there is the wind. There is the wind. Okay, so the wind moves. Can you say the wind moves the paper?
พูดตามผม
The paper.
Okay, the wind moves the paper.
We make the paper พูดตามผม
Paper.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What is this?
It is a.
นี่อันนี้
I want a.
it is a
It is a
grass
card.
Grass. Grass. Can you say it again? Grass.
พูดตามครูก่อน
It is a card.
Okay, it is a grass. So the wind moves the grass.
ดูครูก่อน
The card. Jump
Okay. The wind moves the grass. Very nice. How about this one? What is this?
อันนี้ it is a
It is a baby.
Tree. Okay, it is a tree. So the wind moves the tree. Can you say the wind moves the tree? Okay, the wind moves the tree. Okay, well done. Very The wind moves the tree, the grass, and the paper. Okay, now let's have the next one. Okay, here, what can